In this video tutorial, we will give you instructions how to remove fake human verification alerts that are coming from the site Webouttwo.life. Some people may suddenly see these pop-ups by the site Webouttwo.life. Obviously, the name of this website doesn't really make any sense. The website is extremely malicious. It actually tries to trick you into subscribing to its permanent ads that will be displayed as push notifications. So it's a mistake to click on allow, and if you have done that by mistake, these ads will soon become permanent and obviously very annoying. You should deactivate them right away. Access the menu, go to settings. Now you need to select Privacy and Security option in the left part of the window. Go to Site Settings. In the Site Settings, go to Permissions section, choose Notifications. Now you need to find all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this Webouttwo.life, you should remove this malicious site from the list, and also remove other junk sites if you find them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I do recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the application, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.